Hello friends, welcome to Vidyutech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to solve important questions regarding SSC JEE Electrical. Friends, here comes the question. For this question, we have to find the voltage V, okay, across these two terminals. They have given the network over here, and here is the voltage. We have to find this voltage, friends, across this network. Okay, they have given current source of 2 amperes, and they have given the resistance of 2 ohms. Here you can see the voltage source of 5 volts, friends. For finding the voltage, okay, across this network, then we have to know the KVL, friends. Okay, algebraic sum of voltages in a loop is equivalent to 0 according to KVL. Okay, algebraic sum. Friends, already I told you algebraic sum defines both addition and subtraction. I am taking loop current as I, friends. Friends, in this circuit they have given current source of 2 amperes, but they haven't given the voltage across current source. Okay, let me take that as V1. Okay, I am writing the equation. Okay, negative V. I am taking in this polarity, friends, positive, negative, positive V1. And as current is flowing in this direction, current will be flowing from positive to negative, right? So I am taking in this polarity. Therefore, 2 into I is the voltage drop across 2 ohm resistance, and coming to 5 volts plus 5, that is equivalent to 0. From this we will get V equivalent to V1 plus 2I plus 5. Okay, but they haven't given the V1, so we cannot find the voltage V. Friends, if you don't want to miss most important questions and expected questions of SSC JEE Electrical, then go with the playlist of most important questions and expected questions in my channel. Friends, here comes the question. For this question, we have to find equivalent capacitance between L and M terminals. Here you can see L terminal, and here you can see M terminal, friends. We have to find equivalent capacitance between these two terminals. Okay, friends, in this circuit you can see 6 capacitances. Okay, here you can see 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad, and 1 microfarad. Friends, here you can see these two are connected in parallel. Friends, before that I would like to tell you 1 micro indicates 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, friends, here you can see two capacitances, 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad connected in parallel. Okay, so equivalent capacitance of these two connected in parallel is equivalent to C1 plus C2. That is equivalent to 2 microfarad plus 1 microfarad. We will get 3 microfarad. Okay, 3 microfarad, which is equivalent of 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad in series with 2 microfarad. So, equivalent capacitance of those two is C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Okay, so 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 plus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. In the denominator I am getting 10 to the power of minus 6 and 10 to the power of minus 6. So I am taking out common. Therefore 6 by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farads. That will be equivalent to 1.2 microfarad. So we will get 3 microfarad and 2 microfarad connected in series is equivalent to 1.2 microfarad. Friends, I am redrawing the circuit. Here it is L terminal, and I have equivalent for this is 1.2 microfarad. So, and here comes 2 microfarad in series. M terminal. Friends, here you can see 1 microfarad, which is connected in combination of this circuit or sub-circuit. Here you can see 1 microfarad which is connected across L and M terminal. Here you can see L terminal and N terminal. So I am connecting across these two. 1 microfarad. Friends, here you can see these two capacitors are connected in parallel. So equivalent capacitance is C1 plus C2. You will get 2.2 microfarads. I am redrawing the circuit again, friends. Over here, L terminal. Equivalent of these two, I have got 2.2 microfarad. I am drawing it over here. 2.2 microfarad in series with 2 microfarad. This is M terminal. One microfarad. Friends, these two capacitances are connected in series. So equivalent capacitance is C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So 2.2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 2.2 plus 2, 4.2 microfarad. (1.1) into 2 divided by 2.1 microfarad. Friends, by solving this we will get 1.04 microfarads. Which is equivalent of this sub-circuit. Okay, now I am redrawing the circuit, friends. (1.04 microfarad in parallel with 1 microfarad. L M terminal. Here it is L M. Friends, here you can see 1.04 microfarad and 1 microfarad are connected in parallel. So equivalent capacitance is C1 plus C2. That is equivalent to CLM, which we have to find. Okay, so 1.04 microfarad plus 1 microfarad. We will get 2.04 microfarad. So we have got equivalent capacitance between L terminal and M terminal is equivalent to 2.04 microfarad. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Friends, for more videos, please go through the link in the description below. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video.